Cameron Highlands, a picturesque hill station nestled in the Malaysian state of Pahang, presents a serene escape into lush landscapes, cool climate, and tea-covered slopes. This idyllic destination offers a refreshing respite from the tropical heat and a range of experiences that showcase its natural beauty and cultural heritage. The sprawling tea plantations are a defining feature of Cameron Highlands, with vast rolling hills covered in neat rows of tea bushes. Visitors can explore iconic tea estates such as Bow Tea Plantation and Cameron Valley Tea Plantation, where guided tours provide insights into the tea-making process and offer panoramic views of the surrounding greenery. Sipping freshly brewed tea while gazing at the expansive plantations is an experience that captures the essence of the highlands. The mossy forest, situated on the slopes of Gunung Brincang, offers a mystical journey through mist-covered trees, hanging moss, and unique flora. Guided hikes allow visitors to immerse themselves in the ethereal atmosphere of this ancient ecosystem and witness the rich biodiversity that thrives in its misty embrace. Strawberry farms dot the landscape of Cameron Highlands, offering visitors the chance to pick their own strawberries and indulge in a variety of strawberry-based products, from jams to desserts. The fruit farms provide a charming experience for families and couples alike. The Cameron Lavender Garden and other flower nurseries add a touch of color to the highland scenery, with rows of blooming flowers creating a vibrant tapestry that contrasts with the lush green surroundings. The Lavender Garden, in particular, offers picturesque photo opportunities against a backdrop of lavender fields. Hiking enthusiasts can explore a network of trails that lead through the highlands, each offering its own unique scenery and challenges. The hike to Gunung Irau, the highest peak in Cameron Highlands, rewards trekkers with stunning panoramic views and a sense of accomplishment. The bustling markets in towns like Tanah Rata and Brincang offer a taste of local life, with fresh produce, handicrafts, and souvenirs available for purchase. The night markets, in particular, come alive with food stalls offering a variety of local delicacies and street food. Cameron Highlands also provides an opportunity to learn about the culture of indigenous communities. The Orang Asli villages offer a chance to interact with these native tribes, learn about their traditional way of life, and support their handicrafts. In essence, Cameron Highlands offers a tranquil escape into nature's embrace, with its tea-covered hills, misty forests, and charming attractions. Whether it's savoring tea with a view, exploring unique ecosystems, picking strawberries, or engaging in outdoor adventures, Cameron Highlands invites visitors to embark on a journey that celebrates Malaysia's natural beauty and cultural diversity.